Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome back. Over here, I'm working on some more bouquets. This weather is so pretty outside. It's nice and cool. A little warm still. It's about in the 80s. So come along. Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah up against the Wasatch Mountains, and just barely I put together 3 bouquets arrangements from my yard. I grew every one of these flowers and it makes me really proud, and it's also therapy for me, for my mental health, to grow the flowers and to put the bouquets together. So let's get in real close and I'll show you a quick tour of my yard the way it looks right now. So I have 3 bouquets. Here's the first one in this tiny little jam jar. Got some beautiful dahlias. These are weeds, but I absolutely love the texture. Aren't they fun? Francis Malin rose. Some yarrow behind there. There it is. So there's the first one. Let's circle it so you can see some of the back ones. Look at this. I'm pretty sure that's Foxy Lady Buttercream. And you cannot see that zinnia back there at all. Okay, here's number 2. The next size up. Look at this rose. Oh, she smells wonderful too. The thing that smells one of the best smells is this anise hyssop. Smells so good. Here's Oh Happy Day. And then in here is a little bit of autumn joy sedum. These textures are making me happy. Let's turn this around and see the back side of it. Mostly filler, and then you get a really pretty zinnia, a couple cosmos. Look at this cosmos. Oh, that's one of my favorites, I think. Favorite single. Next year I'm gonna grow quite a bit more double cosmos because I don't have too many doubles. Okay, and here's the third one. Looks like a wild field in a jar. What I meant by the doubles. This is I think it's the seashell one. Oh, we lost a petal on that one. But it's so cute. Look at the texture. Love Lies Bleeding Amaranth. I didn't mean to go super matchy-matchy there, but it's still pretty. The texture on the Dusty Miller. Isn't that beautiful? And then you kind of go, oh, so fun. So there's my 3 bouquets, 3 arrangements that I just put together. I'm gonna pull this one a little closer so you can see the 3 a little more individual. And they all have similar coloring. I am loving the salmon, peachy, hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was just short and sweet. I didn't really show you the bouquets on the video, but sometimes I just need to create off camera, and I had so much fun putting these together. The weather is a little cooler, which feels wonderful. It's still kind of melancholy because the fall is coming, and I love fall, but I hate winter. So see you later. Bye.